We'll look into how to import data into Excel. External data is the data that we import into Excel from a source that resides outside the Excel. First, we'll try to import a sample CSV file. This is the sample CSV file which I have created. I have just entered dates from October 10 to October 19. This data has slash as the delimiter on it. We'll try to import this file now. For this, go to Data tab, click on Get External Data. Now click on From Text. Select the sample CSV file. Our data has delimiters, so keep the delimited radio button selected. Our data doesn't have headers, so I'm not selecting this checkbox. Suppose if your data has headers, then you can select this checkbox. I'm giving next, and then here we have to select the delimiter present in our data. My data has slash as the delimiter, so I'm giving others and I'm specifying slash as the delimiter here. Here we can see the data preview. I'm giving next. Here we can select the data format. I'm keeping it as general. I'm giving finish. Here we can mention where to have our data. I'm giving OK. Now the CSV data has been imported. Next, we'll try to import XML data. First, we need to have a XML data source. I have selected this website which has the XML data. Now we will import the data from this. For this, let me first select this link and have it in the clipboard so that we can paste it later. To import the data, go to Data, Get External Data, from Web. Paste the address here which has the XML data. Click on Go and then give Import. Give OK. Wherever you want this data to be placed, mention the address, then give OK. Now the XML data has got imported. Next, we will try to import database data into the Excel. For this, we need to have an external database data. I have an external database data already in my PC, so I'll try to import it now. Get External Data, give from Access. I have it in Desktop. This is the database. Give Open. It will list the tables present in the database. I'm selecting one of the table in the database and I'm giving OK here. Here I'm mentioning the location where the data to be placed, as well as in whichever view the data has to be displayed, either as a table or a pivot table or a pivot chart. Whichever we want, we can select it here. I'm giving OK. Now the table data is being imported. That's it.